Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture of our exciting series on data structure and algorithm using C++. I am Karan punwatkar and I will be guiding you step by step through this journey. Today we will start with the very basic concept, that is first one is the what are data structure, the second one is the why are they important, and the third one is the type of data structure. This will lay the foundation for everything we will going to learn next. Without wasting our time, let's get started. The first question is what are data structure? A data structure is a method of organizing and managing data in a way that it can be used efficiently. Okay, think of it like organizing file in a cabinet. If the file are scattered randomly, finding a specific one will take time. Okay, but if they arrange alphabetically or by categorize, it super easy to find what you need. In data structure, algorithm help us. First one is a stored and retrieve data quickly. The second one is a perform operations like searching, sorting and updating efficiently. So we are taking an example. When you scroll through your phone contact list, it's arranged alphabetically. That's a simple example of a data structure at work. The next question is why are data structure important? Okay, the first one is a efficiency, the second one is a problem solving, and the third one is a foundation for algorithm. It means efficiency, they save time and money. Imagine searching for a friend contact in an unordered list of thousand names. Like we are just taking an example. It will be a nightmare without some structure, right? That's why it's very efficiently they save time and memory. The next one is a problem solving. Many real world problem can be solved much faster with the right data structure. Okay, and the third one is that foundation for algorithm, that is data structure and algorithm are best friend. Like most algorithm rely on specific data structure to work efficiently, that is work efficiently. Okay, for instance, social media app like Instagram and Facebook use advanced data structure to store billions of user profile and show you relevant content instantly, right? So moving further to the types of data structure. Just a second, yeah. In data structure and algorithm, we have two main type. That is first one is a primitive data type and the another one is a non-primitive data type. In primitive data type, they are again divided into integer, float, boolean and character. And about the non-primitive data type, we get the linear data structure and non-linear data structure. About the linear data structure, it's include array, stack, queue and linked list. We will learn this one by one in our upcoming lectures. Okay, and about the non-linear data structure, we get the trees, graphs and a hash table. And the next question is what is mean by then the linear data structure, that is data is arranged sequentially like one after the other, like it is basically 1 2 3 4, like setting for your examination, that is it's one student 2 3, that is 1 2 3 arranged in a sequential order. Okay, and think of a queue at a movie ticket counter. The next example, like people stand in line one behind the other, right? And about the non-linear data structure, that is data is arranged in a hierarchical or we can say network like fashion. Like take an example of this one is a tree. It's look like a tree and that's why it's. Think of a family tree or a map where cities are connected by road. Okay, so these two type form the basic of everything we learn in this series. The next question is how do you decide which data structure to use? It's depend on the problem. Okay, if you want to quick access to data, that is I will write it here in just a second. Yeah, that is quick access to data, so we use array. Okay, array is perfect for this. The next is if the size of data keep changing dynamically. If size of data keep changing dynamically. Then in this scenario, in this problem statement, we use linked list. And for representing hierarchical data like a family tree, we use tree. For hierarchical data, we use tree. Okay, because it's not in the sequential order. So as we proceed through this course, I will teach you how to pick the best data structure for any situation. So this is a simple example of array that it's we are taking an array of size 5, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Then print the comment that is a string array element, and then we apply for loop for this and print the each element on from the array. So we get the output is 1 2 3 4 5 in a sequential order. So that's it for today's session. We will lay a strong foundation by understanding what, just a second, I will give you that. Yeah. What are data structure? Why are they important? And the third one is the types of data structure. Okay. So in the next lecture, we will take our first step into linear data structure, and we are starting from array. That is starting from array. Okay, so thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more such content, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. See you in the next lecture.